Teachers Federal Credit Union Cashback Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? This is one of the most overlooked cashback cards in 2025. It offers flat rate cashback on all purchases with no annual fee. That means every dollar you spend earns rewards. It also includes low interest rates and strong fraud protection. If you qualify for membership, this card can quietly become your everyday spending card. Verdict: worth it for simple cashback seekers.